I want everybody to be able to invest. I don't want people to think investing or starting to invest is difficult. So what I'm gonna do is, I got these coins. We about to go to the coin store, just some coins that I just had laying around, and I'm gonna go in the coin store, and the money that I take from these coins from coin store, we're gonna use to start investing. Whole bag of coins. Walking. Going to we at the coin store. Let's get this, you know what I mean? Get cash, get the munties. They steal all of your monies. Racking out. All right, this is the final value. It's not much, but that's the whole point of this. You don't need a lot of money. You feel me? Just the coins I had laying around. 62.24. Well, get the money, cash the money in, get it. So just to go over some things real quick, I went and did a Google search for online brokerages, and it got me to this. It says 9 best online brokerages, and just to do a quick little research and find which one's best for you. Now, after researching a little bit, and I already have a main online brokerage that I use, but for the purposes of this, I used Charles Schwab, and I opened a Charles Schwab account, and it's all you need is you just need a bank account and your routing number information, and it took maybe 10 minutes, and I was in there. All right, so I'm in the Charles Schwab page, and my $65 is in there. It took a while, but it's in there. So we go up, go to trade, and what I like about this is, well, first of all, I know I want to buy some BlackBerry stock, and I know BlackBerry is BB, so BlackBerry Limited, and I want to buy. This is what I don't like. I don't know why the default quantity is 100, so I want to buy 4, and I want to buy them. So when it says order type, I want a market order. It's the day only, and it's almost 4:51 now, and I want to get this in before market close at 5. And you can see this is going to cost $35 out of the 65, and I'm going to hit review order. And because of their commission fee, it's $5, it's gonna come up to $40. And gotta hit these. Guess I gotta hit those every time. Just acknowledgements. Place the order. The order is received. So I've just bought 4 shares of BlackBerry stock, and let me go to trade again, and that's not true. I know I don't, it didn't go through yet because it still says I have $65 to trade, and I know that I do not because I just spent 40. So, but I also know I want to buy Annaly Capital Management. You can see that's at 9. It's trading at 9.21. I hate that the quantity is defaulted at 100. I only want to buy 2 of those. Do the same thing when I buy it. I want to reinvest my dividends. Do I want to? I'm gonna click off of that because I don't know if they mean reinvest it as in reinvest into this actual stock, this actual company, or is it just gonna sit in my account? So I'm gonna click off of that until I learn what they mean. I want to put it in a market order, and that's gonna be $20. 50. Might be cutting it close. Might be cutting it close. $23. This account may not have sufficient funds to cover the order. Yeah, I don't know if I might have enough money in it with their fee associated. So I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna buy 1 of those for right now because the money hasn't been taken out and I don't know how much money I would have in, unfortunately. This is kind of what I don't, and I just set up this Charles Schwab account the other day, so I don't know anything about Charles Schwab because my primary account is somewhere else. But just learning the Charles Schwab, it doesn't seem like it takes your money out right away, and it doesn't update your new balance, and it took a long time for the money to actually hit my account. So I might just hold off on getting this today until this refreshes, so everybody can just have a clear understanding of what happened and how much money I have left, and I can know how much money I have left, and we could just get a clear picture of it. So we might do that tomorrow, but at least we did get 4 shares of BlackBerry today, and update tomorrow, and see how we're gonna do. All right.